Hello everyone. Today we are working on algebra for limits, radicals, and conjugates. We are going to evaluate the limit for x approaches -1 for the square root of x plus 5 minus 2 all over x plus 1. So first things first is that we want to eliminate the radical. So what we could do here is multiply by the conjugate. If you are not sure what a conjugate is, basically what that is the same expression just with a different value. So we are going to write equals limit x approaches to -1. We're going to rewrite the expression. And then this is where we multiply by the conjugate. So whatever we do on top, we are going to do for the bottom. So this is where the value changes. Instead of negative, we're switching it to positive. And then again here, x plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so once we get here, we are going to simplify and then subtract the numerator after. So here, a square root times a square root, it eliminates, right? So we are going to be left with an x plus 5 and then -2. -2 plus, times +2 would be -4. And then for the bottom, so all over x plus 1, parentheses, square root of x plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so once we are here, we realize that for the numerator, we can subtract, like I mentioned earlier. So we would have 5 minus 4, that would equal to +1. So the numerator would be x plus 1. And the denominator would be x plus 1. The square root x plus 5 plus 2. So here we could see that we have a common factor, and that is x plus 1. So when we have a common factor, we can cancel it out. So that would leave us with a 1 for the numerator. And then for the bottom, now we have the square root of x plus 5 plus 2. So here we simplified it as much as we could. So now we can we can substitute the x, since the x approaches to -1. This would be -1. So that would be 1 over square root -1 plus 5 plus 2. And if we add the numerator, the denominator, that is gonna leave us with 4. So square root of 4 plus 2. So we know that this is a perfect square, right? So because 2 times 2 is 4, so that would be 2. So it's going to be 1 over 2 plus 2. So that would equals 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. So that would leave us with 1/4. And that would be the answer.